Hello everyone, I am Tibisay Morgandi and I'm the director of the Queen Mary International Economic Law Clinic. A legal clinic is a project where a small group of students develops first-hand experience working on a concrete legal question that has been asked by a government, an NGO, or some other institution. The Legal Clinic is a module part of the LLM curriculum and counts towards an LLM degree. We run around 2 projects each year, and each project involves 4 LLM students that are assessed on the final report, which we also send to the beneficiary that set the legal question. We ran 2 projects last year. One on trading educational services for a confidential beneficiary, and the other, which I supervised, on investment law and climate change for the government of Chile.
In our project, we looked at Chile's international investment treaties over the past few decades. And in particular, we looked at whether or not their international investment treaties allow Chile to take measures to combat and mitigate climate change. And to do this, we looked at how they've evolved, and in particular, we picked a potential climate change mitigation measure, namely a ban on diesel fuel, to show that Chile does indeed have the ability to take measures to combat climate change.
Both projects were a resounding success. In fact, the Chilean government was so pleased with the report on investment law that it invited the team to present their findings to Chilean government officials at a workshop in Santiago. The Queen Mary International Economic Law Clinic is part of the TradeLab network, which is a network of legal clinics in international economic law, which was launched at the Graduate Institute 10 years ago, and now brings together almost 20 universities and institutions across the world.
We're very excited to be the only UK university to be a member of the TradeLab network. We're a pilot clinic applying for membership this year. This will give us access to an esteemed group of fellows and experts who will help us in multiple ongoing projects we already have.
The International Economic Law Legal Clinic was a fantastic part of my Master of Law. I am grateful to have had this opportunity to work on a real and current legal problem. And it's terrific to think that I and my teammates, supervised by Dr. Morgandi, have been able to contribute to international law in the real world.
I've worked with hundreds of students, helping them develop their professional skills through Queen Mary's Pro Bono Commercial Law Clinic. I'm absolutely delighted to be working with TradeLab students, helping them develop their professional skills in a similar way.